Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to send proposal on Upwork. To send a proposal on Upwork, first log in to your account and browse the job listing. Once you find a job that matches your skills, click on it to view the details. Then click on Apply button. Now, write a compelling cover letter highlighting your relevant experiences and how you can help the client with their project. Attach any relevant work samples, set your rate, and click Submit Proposal. That's it. Now you are ready to land some great projects on Upwork. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.